Did you know that families who maintain a higher level of organization report being 20% happier than those who struggle with clutter and chaos? This statistic might come as a surprise, but it underscores a vital truth. Organization can significantly enhance family life. What if a few simple organization challenges could transform your family life? Imagine a household where everyone knows their responsibilities, where communication flows easily, and where clutter doesn't reign supreme. The concept of family organization challenges is not just about tidying up. It's about fostering a harmonious environment that nurtures relationships and promotes productivity. Every family faces unique challenges when it comes to organization. Clutter often creeps in, turning living spaces into chaotic landscapes. Daily routines can become jumbled, leaving family members feeling overwhelmed and disconnected. Communication issues can arise, leading to misunderstandings and frustration. These challenges can create a cycle of stress that affects everyone in the household. However, by implementing targeted organization challenges, families can tackle these issues head-on, creating a more peaceful and productive home. One effective strategy families can adopt is the one-in, one-out rule. This simple yet powerful principle encourages family members to be mindful of their belongings. For every new item brought into the home, an old item must be removed. This challenge not only helps manage clutter, but also fosters a sense of responsibility and awareness about consumer habits. Imagine a family where the kids understand the value of their possessions and learn to appreciate what they have while also making room for new experiences and items. It's a lesson in balance that can serve them well throughout their lives. Another significant challenge is the establishment of weekly family meetings. These gatherings are a fantastic way to enhance communication and ensure everyone is on the same page. By dedicating a specific time each week to discuss schedules, share updates, and address any concerns, families can create a culture of openness and collaboration. During these meetings, family members can voice their thoughts and feelings, allowing for a deeper understanding of each other's perspectives. This practice not only strengthens bonds, but also empowers everyone to contribute to the family dynamic actively. Utilizing a designated family calendar is another practical organization challenge that can help streamline schedules. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy for activities, appointments, and commitments to get lost in the shuffle. A shared calendar, whether digital or physical, provides a centralized location for everyone to see what's happening in the family. This transparency can help prevent scheduling conflicts and ensure that everyone is aware of important events. Imagine the relief of knowing that everyone is aligned and that no one has to scramble at the last minute because they forgot about a soccer game or a family gathering. To illustrate the effectiveness of these challenges, let's delve into a personal story about a family who embraced these organization strategies. The Johnsons, a family of 4, found themselves overwhelmed by the chaos of daily life. Their home was cluttered with toys, clothes, and miscellaneous items that seemed to multiply overnight. The parents, Sarah and Tom, often felt stressed trying to manage their jobs while also ensuring their kids, Mia and Jake, were engaged in activities and homework. Communication was strained, and family time often turned into frantic moments of trying to catch up with each other. After stumbling upon the idea of organization challenges, Sarah and Tom decided to take action. They implemented the one-in, one-out rule, which initially met with resistance from Mia and Jake, who were reluctant to part with their toys. However, after a family meeting where they discussed the benefits of decluttering, the kids began to see the value in the challenge. They chose to donate toys they no longer played with, and in return, they could select a new game or book. The excitement of choosing something new while also helping others made the process enjoyable. Over time, their living space transformed, and it became easier to maintain order. The weekly family meetings quickly became a cherished tradition. At first, they felt awkward, as everyone was unsure of what to discuss. However, as the weeks went on, they found their rhythm. They began by sharing highlights from their week, discussing upcoming events, and even planning fun activities together. The meetings not only improved communication, but also allowed the family to bond over shared experiences and goals. Mia and Jake felt more included in family decisions, which boosted their confidence and sense of belonging. The designated family calendar was the final piece of the puzzle. Sarah and Tom created a colorful calendar in their kitchen where everyone could see it. They marked important dates, such as school events, family outings, and even simple reminders for chores. This visual aid helped everyone stay informed and reduced the number of last-minute scrambles. The Johnsons found that they were spending less time arguing over schedules and more time enjoying each other's company. As the months passed, the Johnsons noticed a remarkable shift in their family dynamics. The clutter was manageable, communication was smoother, and they were spending more quality time together. The stress that once loomed over their household began to dissipate, replaced by laughter and shared experiences. The organization challenges they embraced not only transformed their living space, but also strengthened their relationships. In recap, the challenges of family organization are common but not insurmountable. The one-in, one-out rule can help manage clutter and instill a sense of responsibility. Weekly family meetings foster open communication and collaboration, while a designated family calendar streamlines schedules and reduces chaos. Each of these strategies has the potential to create a more harmonious household, where family members feel valued and connected. As families embark on their own organization journeys, they may find that these challenges are not just about tidying up. They are about building a foundation for stronger relationships and a happier home. By implementing these strategies, families can reclaim their space, enhance their communication, and ultimately transform their lives. The journey toward organization may begin with a few simple challenges, but the rewards can be profound, leading to a more fulfilling family life. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace these organization challenges and watch your family thrive.